Under the palms where the breezes play, the blue sea shimmers in its own ballet. Waves hum soft like a sweet melody. Serene marine park unfolding free. Forest trails where the sunlight doth peak. A symphony of birds with colors unique. Tranquil steps along the nature's lane. A quiet spirit, no need to explain. Oh, serene marine, a dream come true, where skies meet sea in every hue. Gentle waves, your story flows in your arms. The calm bestows. Night falls quiet and the birds slow breathe. Under starlit skies, the trees do sheathe. A slow moving loris bids evening hello. A flying squirrel glides as moonlight lives low. The jungle whispers in a voice so deep, a lullaby for those who dream and sleep. Every leaf holds secrets unseen. In this tranquil canvas, life feels serene. Oh, serene marine, a dream come true, where skies meet sea in every hue.